Introducing the first U.S. Bitcoin property marketplace, revolutionizing real estate transactions. Good morning, lovely people. I greet you with love. I wish you a wonderful day. Let's get started with today's blog. The world of real estate is about to be revolutionized with the launch of the first U.S. Bitcoin property marketplace, MyElisting.com. This innovative platform aims to transform the process of buying and selling real estate using cryptocurrency, merging the burgeoning world of digital assets with the multi-trillion-dollar U.S. commercial and residential property markets. Starting with Texas properties, MyElisting.com has begun listing real estate available for purchase using cryptocurrency. The platform, integrated with Coinbase Commerce, plans to expand its listings to other select states in June, providing agents, brokers, and sellers with a new way to conduct transactions. Speed and accessibility. One of the most significant advantages of using MyElisting.com is the potential to close transactions within one business day, drastically reducing the time it takes to finalize real estate deals compared to traditional methods. The platform is open to people worldwide, enabling seamless transactions even across borders. A vision for change. Caleb Richter, the CEO of MyElisting.com, believes that the real estate industry is ripe for change. With the challenges of purchasing property across state or international borders, the integration of cryptocurrency in real estate transactions can streamline the process and offer more options for buyers and sellers alike. Global adoption. While MyElisting.com claims to be the first US-based platform for Bitcoin real estate transactions, other real estate firms worldwide have already begun accepting Bitcoin as payment. This demonstrates a growing trend toward adopting digital currency in the property market. Challenging times. The launch of MyElisting.com comes during a turbulent period for the U.S. housing and commercial property markets, with interest rates rapidly rising, median home prices falling, and lending standards for commercial real estate loans tightening. Despite these challenges, MyElisting.com's innovative approach to real estate transactions may help propel both the cryptocurrency and property industries forward, setting the stage for a new era of property buying and selling. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.